If DaVinci Resolve is throwing error code 40, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help you get back to editing fast. This error is often caused by GPU memory overload, especially if you're working with heavy effects, large media files, or a high-resolution timeline. The good news is that you can usually fix it by adjusting a few performance and GPU settings inside Resolve. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to your edit page. Make sure your clips are visible on the timeline because we want to make the performance change from inside the project you're actually working on. Once you're on the edit page, look at the top menu and click Playback. From the drop-down, go to Timeline Proxy mode and then choose Half Resolution. This is one of the quickest ways to reduce the load on your system because it lowers the amount of GPU memory Resolve has to use while previewing your timeline. If your project is struggling because of high-resolution footage or effects, this small change can make a big difference right away. Now that Proxy mode is set, the next step is to check your GPU configuration. Go up to DaVinci Resolve in the top menu, then click Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the Memory and GPU section. This area controls how Resolve detects and uses your graphics hardware, and if the wrong setting is selected, it can trigger instability or memory-related errors like error code 40. Open the GPU settings and look for GPU processing mode. Set GPU processing mode to Cuda if you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, or OpenCL if that's the better option for your hardware. The important thing here is to turn off Auto if it's currently enabled. Auto detection can sometimes choose a less stable configuration or switch to a device that isn't ideal for heavy editing. By selecting the correct processing mode manually, you're giving Resolve a more reliable path for handling video processing and effects. Next, make sure only your dedicated GPU is selected. If you have multiple graphics options available, such as an integrated GPU and a dedicated one, Resolve may try to use the wrong one or split resources in a way that causes memory issues. Selecting only your dedicated GPU helps avoid low memory performance problems and keeps the workload on the stronger graphics card designed for editing. Once you've made those changes, click Save. After that, restart DaVinci Resolve so the new GPU and memory settings fully load. This restart is important because some changes won't take effect until the program is reopened. When Resolve starts back up, return to your project and test the timeline again. In many cases, these steps are enough to fix error code 40 and restore smooth playback and editing. If the error still appears, remember the main causes: GPU memory overload, especially on heavy effects, large timelines, or high-resolution footage. In that case, keeping Proxy mode on half resolution, using the correct GPU processing mode, and making sure only the dedicated GPU is active can really help stabilize the program. So to recap, the fix is simple. Open the edit page, switch Timeline Proxy mode to half resolution, go into Preferences, open Memory and GPU, set GPU processing mode to Cuda or OpenCL instead of Auto, choose only your dedicated GPU, save everything, and restart Resolve. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot error code 40 in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve fixes, and comment below if you want help with any other Resolve error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.